Hey, it's Drew Bentley here with Learn Guitar with Drew. Today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite things to do on guitar. Make chords out of pentatonic scale shapes. I love doing this. Before we dive in, thanks so much for checking out the lesson. My name is Drew Bentley. The channel is Learn Guitar with Drew, and if you like what you see here, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell for notifications, and in the comment section down below, you'll find links for my websites and lots of guitar good stuff. Okay, so way back when, I was sitting in a practice room in my university studying guitar, and I sort of had an epiphany where I realized that creating music wasn't necessarily playing a bunch of licks, but more like concepts. In other words, telling a story, but having a lot of different adjectives to describe what you're trying to say. So I came up with pentatonic concepts, and I have hundreds of these, like literally more than I could even imagine, because they keep coming up with more of them. This thing today is creating some chords out of the shapes of the pentatonic scale. That's what I was doing at the beginning there. I use this all the time when I'm composing music. On the Bold Horizon album, the thing that ends the videos when you hear a little trailer at the end, that's using these chord shapes in that song, for example. I love to do it. I think it sounds really cool. So what we do, take any pentatonic shape you want to out of the 5 positions. Let's say this guy here, this E minor chord right here. And we could take any of the notes of the scale and create a chord. So I could do this, I could do this. And that's fair game. I could go like this. See? So I'm sort of just kind of creating chords out of these shapes. I love these tenths, like kind of like your Blackbird sound. So let's say I'm going to play something like this. This is an E minor chord, but I'm not thinking of it as E minor. I'm thinking of it as a pentatonic shape. The scale is. So in my mind, this is a chord, this is a chord, that's a chord. So the notes are in there. Now this C note I borrowed from the Aeolian mode, which is related to E minor pentatonic. So you can add the C note back in, you can add the F sharp note back in, because those are part of the Aeolian scale. So I can play a chord like this. So if I play this guy here, this is the scale. And from that I can go. That's beautiful. Just let everything kind of ring out and be ethereal. I've obviously got a couple of guitar effects happening here right now. The Fractal Audio Axe Effects has this great effect called a plexi-verb, and that's in there, plus multi-delays and a regular delay. There's like a singular delay as well. A lot of reverb, lots of wash of beautiful goodness in 130-degree stereo sound. But the idea though is I'm just creating these little creative, little pentatonic shapes, creating them out of these shapes. So I'm not really thinking chords, I'm just thinking shapes. I do the same thing with a major key as well, and just about any tonality, any environment I find myself in. A lot of times I won't think about the chords I'm playing, I'm just reaching for the notes I know are going to work, and then the end result's going to be some sort of chord sound. So let's take another one. If I go like this, I can do this. This. Now obviously that's maybe not, obviously that's a G major 9, but I'm not thinking of it as that, I'm thinking of it as a pentatonic scale. Now these are such beautiful sounds to me, I love it. it outside like that. So take your pentatonic scales and start creating some chords from the shapes, and you'll be amazed at the sounds you're going to get. I love it. I think it's a great thing. I could do that for like 24 straight hours. I think it's absolutely beautiful. If I'm having a bad day or if I'm feeling stressed out, you know, those sounds are just so soothing and peaceful to me. Okay, hopefully this was a fun lesson for you. I'm going to have tons of lessons on pentatonic scale concepts coming up in the future, so keep an eye out for those as well. If you got value from the lesson, if you like what you saw here, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell for notifications. And in the comment section down below, you can find lots of links for resources for like guitar lessons and my original music and a bunch of stuff. Okay, well thanks so much, and I look forward to seeing you at the next lesson.